Hi, in this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to log in to your WordPress website admin dashboard. So right now, I'll show you two different ways to sign into your WordPress admin dashboard. In first way, we will use our WordPress admin dashboard username and password to sign in. To do that, on your browser, just open your WordPress website. After your domain or URL, give a slash and type wp-admin and just hit enter. And then you will directly jump into your WordPress website admin dashboard login page. Here, just write your username and your password and then just tap on login. And then you will directly jump into your WordPress admin dashboard. From here, you will be able to easily customize your WordPress website. And now I will show you the second way to log into your WordPress admin dashboard if you forgot your login password. To do that, first of all, you have to go to your cPanel. Once you are in your cPanel, just click on Software Coolers Apps Installer. And here you will find these installation options. Just click on this installation. And here you'll find all of your installed WordPress websites. Now, for example, I want to sign into this WordPress website admin dashboard without password. So here's I'm just clicking on login as admin. And then, as you can see, I've successfully logged into my WordPress admin dashboard without my password. So this is how you can log into your WordPress website admin dashboard in two ways. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.